Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever hopped on your scooter, ready for a smooth ride, only to be met with some serious shaking and vibrating? It's the worst, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Scooters can get a little temperamental. Today, we're diving into the common culprits behind those annoying vibrations, and how you can get your ride back to its chill, smooth self. Let's get started. First up, we have the tires. Yeah, seems obvious, but flat or underinflated. Tires are a super common cause of scooter shake. Think about it, your tires are your main point of contact with the road. If they're not properly inflated, they can't absorb bumps and irregularities, leading to that shaky feeling. Always check your tire pressure before you ride. You can find the recommended PSI pounds per square inch on the sidewall of your tire. Get yourself a good tire pressure gauge, and make sure those tires are happy and healthy. Next, let's talk about wheel alignment. This is where things can get a little more technical. But essentially, if your wheels aren't aligned correctly, your scooter is going to be fighting itself, causing vibrations. A bent rim is another possibility here. Bumping into curbs or potholes can easily damage your rims. Bent rims can throw off the balance of your wheels, and that imbalance, yep, you guessed it, vibrations. If you suspect a bent rim, it's time to take your scooter to a professional. They'll have the tools and expertise to straighten things out. Then, we have loose parts. This one is a biggie. Over time, screws, bolts, and other components can work their way loose due to the constant vibrations of riding. Check your handlebars, stem, deck, and any other areas where components connect. Give everything a good once over, and tighten anything that feels loose. It's a good habit to get into, to keep your scooter in tip-top shape. You might even want to invest in some thread locker, to keep those screws from backing out in the first place. Now, let's look at the motor and drivetrain. If you have an electric scooter, the motor itself could be the source of the vibrations. This is less common, but a faulty motor or issues with the drivetrain can definitely cause problems. The same thing can happen in scooters with a combustion engine. This is another situation where a professional mechanic is your best bet, as they have the tools to diagnose and repair any motor or drivetrain issues. Finally, let's not forget about the road surface itself. Sometimes, the problem isn't your scooter at all. Rough roads, cracks, and uneven surfaces can definitely make your ride feel shaky. It's just a fact of life. Try to avoid particularly bumpy areas, or slow down when you encounter them. Sometimes, the best solution is just to adjust your riding style. So, there you have it, folks. The most common causes of scooter shaking and vibrating. Remember to check your tires, wheels, and all those loose parts. By keeping up with regular maintenance, you'll ensure your scooter stays smooth and enjoyable. If you're not comfortable with any of these repairs, don't hesitate to take your scooter to a trusted mechanic. They can help diagnose the problem and get you back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy scooting!